Hello, everybody. It's the old bird. I'm here today to share with you a personal DIY project. I'm in my backyard, and you see this? I've been using this for the last 30 minutes, trying to glue the roof. Can you see it? On this. Now let me tell you what this is. I'm walking to the place where I'm going to put it. My husband loves to hear the sound of the rain. He grew up down here. I'm going to scan around. This is the city where he grew up. He grew up in the country, and he loves the sound of the rain on the roof. However, on our roof, you can't hear the rain. So I decided to take these pans and create him. There we go. That's the window. That's the bird perch. That's the front door, and that's the roof. I decided to create something for him to hear the rain when it's raining. We've been getting a lot of rain in this area recently, and he can't hear the rain. So I created this. You see my little bling on there? You know I've got to put crystals on everything. Now let me back up. That's the way it looks. Now the two pans, there they are. I glued them together with hot glue. Didn't have any problem at all. But when I got ready to put the roof on, the roof just wouldn't stick. So I moved to the super glue, and the super glue wouldn't hold it. And my wonderful husband came up with this. You see the screw? See the screw? Let me turn it around. Screw. Screw. 4 tiny screws. He got the screw gun and screwed them in, and the roof is on. And I've been dealing with this forever, it seems. Now this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it right here. Let me turn the camera around. There we go. There's the house. There's the back porch. And this right here is the bedroom. That's our master bedroom windows. So I'm going to put this. I hope you can see the ground, and the weeds. I'm going to put this right. Oh, I'm sorry. I rotated the camera. In the ground. Well, I thought I was going to put it in the ground. My husband's going to have to come and do it. Right here, where he can hear the rain. Yes, every time it rains, he'll be able to hear it. Now, let me show it to you. Wait. Let me show it to you. Okay, it's saying that my phone is rotating. Let me turn around. And maybe you can... There it is. And I don't know if you can hear my sidekick or not. But he's digging down right there, and he's going to put it in the ground. Now, I know I can't rotate the camera, or maybe I can. I'm not very familiar with this Facebook Live, but I thought this was a fantastic project. The only thing I used was 2 of those aluminum pans, and I purchased those from Sam's Club, and I get a whole stack of them. And the tops to the we're gonna have to do that later. The tops to the pans is the roof. Now let me see if I can turn it around to see. There it is. Now let me go around to this side, and you'll be able to see. There's my little bird perched on it. That's the roof that I've been dealing with forever. That's the door. Let me come on around. That's the side. this. Let me see, I'm covering it up with my hand. Oh, this is the window. It's the cutest thing. I enjoyed making it so much, and hopefully on the aluminum he'll be able to hear the sounds of the rain, and it's going to be soothing to him. And it's the cutest little thing with my little red bird, and I used a bird that was left over from another crafting project. And the stick is a paint stirrer. That's all. Aluminum foil, 2 aluminum pans, 1 aluminum top, and a bird from another project, 1 paint stirrer, which was free when I purchased 2 gallons of paint. I knew you would like it and might like to try it and would embellish upon it and make it better. Now let me see if I can turn the camera around. There I am. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm Linda, the old bird. I hope you will come and join me on Facebook Live. That's my group on Facebook. Next week, I have 3 fabulous artists scheduled. I do live interviews with them so they can tell you about their products, as well as live sales events. So tell your friends about Gotta Be Handmade Live. Thank you for joining me. Take this little project and make one for yourself. Because you know, for the best, it's just gotta be handmade. My husband.